Hi, I call this mathematical letters, difficulty level 4. And the problem is, we're at the hardware store. A mathematician recently bought a hardware store and came up with an alternative method of pricing his goods. Can you figure out his method and determine the cost of the hammer? A screwdriver costs $30, bolts 14, nails 13, plywood 19. A hammer is what we have to find out what it costs. So you can pause it here or continue, and I'll give you your first clue right now. So your first clue, a consonant is worth X and a vowel is worth Y. Now you can pause it again. I'll give you your second clue right now. This is an algebra problem. So a screwdriver has 8 consonants and 3 vowels. So we'll call this 8X plus 3y equals 30. And we'll continue the same logic for all the items, screwdriver, bolts, nails, and plywood. And the algebra problem related to the number of consonants and vowels I'll provide here. And so what we'll do is we'll solve for the variables x and y. First of all, we'll start with x. We'll take these two formulas in the middle, which are the most simple, and we'll flip them over upside down. We'll call it 5x plus 2y is 19, 3x plus 2y is 13. Subtract the second formula from the first. We have 2x plus 0y equals 6. Divide by 2, so x equals 3. All right, so we solve for y on the next slide. So we have 3x plus 2y is 13. Substitute x for 3, so now we have 9 plus 2y equals 13. Subtract 9 from either side. 2y equals 4, so y equals 2. So how are we sure that's right? X is 3 and y is 2. So we'll plug these numbers, our values, into the problems to see if they work. So and here's our list of all of our algebra problems. If we plug in 3 and 2 in the first formula, we have 8x plus 3y is 30, is 8 times 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 24 plus 6 equals 30, and that matches, so we get a nice green check mark. And we plug in 3 and 2 in the other formulas, and we'll find out that they all work out to be exactly perfect. All right, so that gives us our final question. What is the price of the hammer? 4x plus 2y equals blank. If we plug in 3 for x and 2 for y, we have 4 times 3 plus 2 times 2 equals 12 plus 4 equals 16. And 16 is the price of the hammer. All right, I hope you got this one right. It's called a difficulty level 4, but I think it's really like a 2. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.